this is, just so you know, look, I'm gonna slap this on here. This is, I think, I'm gonna call it, at least 2025, biggest fan of the pod.
Oh, easily.
Easily.
2026, 2027, 2028.
Okay,
I
so.
said updates.
But here's the thing. I feel like we have a great pod, right? It's a daily show, all this type of stuff. What does it do for you? Why?
So I got in the industry in 2020, and I remember when you first started the pod, one of the first episodes, you said, I hope I could arm people in the industry with information while they're working. And it was always like, I started from a different industry, so I wanted to consume as much content as possible, and like you guys helped me do that. So I can come in with a different perspective. I can come in with interesting information to every dealership that I walked into. So like honestly, like I kind of credit you guys to like part of where I am is just I feel like I learned.
You're one of like
through
the
you guys.
greatest salespeople in all of auto, from what I understand as well. So
hey, well you're a part of that.
Crazy. All right, so what are you doing at the show? What's the big stuff? What do you got to tick off?
So getting interviewed by you was number one. But
We've done that.
Fullpath, we're very excited to come back, and we're having a party tonight, 5 to 7, with the great Auto Genius and UBI.
Yeah.
So come by if you guys like Topgolf. We're having like a big dinner for all of our dealer partners on Wednesday, but we're excited. We launched a CRM. We're crazy enough to do that, but like
in a world where it's like everybody already has one, right?
Exactly.
It's not a net new
but
entry,
it's very cool, very different. AI is everything, but the data behind it means that much more. So come and check us out. Great team. Everyone flew over from Israel. All the smart people. I'm just a sales guy.
What's your biggest hope for this year? What are you hoping to see happen in the industry for you, whatever it may be?
And I'm going to steal from the pod, but I think Paul says he wants this is the year of the human within AI. Yes. So I want to kind of rally behind that, because AI is great, but what's behind it is the human. That's the more important thing. So that's what I want to
look right at the camera and say, this is the year of the human.
This is the year of the human. You heard it here first.
Yes, thanks, bro.
Love you, man. Love you too.